welcome to One CW Question with your host, Vince, VE6LK. I hope you are enjoying this series. I'm going to share with you my best tip. When you're learning CW, your brain wants to take a break, and that's all well and good. And if you want to take a day off, that's way cool. But here's what your day off really should entail. You see, for me, it was a trap I fell into. I'll take a day off, then I'll take two, then I'll take a week. And then I got mad at myself because getting back up on that bicycle is harder than you think. So here's what my day offs entail. My day offs entail 5 minutes of sending practice. Sending is way easier than receiving because your brain knows what you're going to send. So take 5 minutes. If you want to take a day off, just do 5 minutes of sending practice. You'll feel good about it and you'll stay on that bicycle. I hope you're enjoying this series. Thanks for watching, and 73.